Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to schedule a video conference in the Zoom app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can access all of Zoom's meeting features and scheduling options. Now, look for and tap on the Schedule button. This will open up the meeting configuration screen where you can set up all the details for your upcoming video conference. This is where you'll customize everything from the meeting name to the timing and durations. You'll notice there's already a default meeting name in the designated field. Go ahead and delete that existing text, then enter your own event name that describes what this video conference is for. This helps you and your participants quickly identify the meeting when they receive the invitation. Below the meeting name, you'll see a section labeled Start. Right beside it, you'll find the Date option. Tap on it and a calendar picker will appear on your screen. From here, select your preferred date for the video conference. Take your time choosing the right day that works for your schedule and your participants' availability. Right beside the date, you'll notice the Start Time option. Tap on it and you'll see a time selector appear. Choose your preferred start time for when you want the video conference to begin. Make sure to select a time that gives everyone enough notice to join. Below the start time, tap on the End Time option. Here's something important to note. If you're using a free Zoom account, you'll want to set the duration to at least 40 minutes or less. If you need the meeting to run longer than 40 minutes, you'll need to upgrade your Zoom account to a paid plan. So choose your end time accordingly based on your account type and meeting needs. Below the end time setting, you'll see an option for time zone. Tap on it and a list of available time zones will appear. Scroll through and select your preferred time zone from the list. This ensures that all participants receive the meeting invitation with the correct time for their location. Once you've selected your time zone, tap Done in the upper right corner to confirm your selection. Now that you've configured all your meeting settings, tap the Save button in the upper right corner. This will save your scheduled video conference and create the meeting in your Zoom account. You'll return to the Meetings section of the app. Scroll down through your list of meetings until you find the one you just created. Once you locate it, tap on the three dotted lines right beside the meeting name. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, tap Copy Invitation. This action copies the complete meeting link and details to your clipboard. Finally, send the copied invitation to your participants through Messenger, email, or any other messaging app you prefer. They'll receive all the information they need to join your scheduled video conference at the right time. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a video conference in Zoom and shared the invitation with your participants. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.